Let's take a look at the student side of RAMP. The student side is tablet-based. It's available in both iOS and Android platforms. Included in the student side are activities or assessments that are 1 minute in length that can be repeated to provide many individualized practice opportunities in a short amount of time. And every assessment is recorded in real time and goes directly to the teacher's side of the platform so that they can monitor student progress. There are 2 levels of security in the system for a student. So first, they log in under a teacher's ID. And then they log in under their own ID number. We're going to choose math. And then we're going to choose just some basic curriculum. The objective I'm going to choose is basic math facts. Remember, RAMP is a supplemental learning system, and so the instruction for this would have already occurred. The student clicks on assessments. The areas, the objectives that the teacher's chosen for them appear. We're doing multiply 3. The system looks at the data from the student's previous score and sets a target for today. So today's target is for the student to get 23 correct, with the final goal being 50. The student's just starting out. We click on start and it counts down, and the problems appear. You see at the top there's a bar that advances, indicating how close to the goal of 50 the student's coming within the minute. Once the minute's up, the student immediately sees a graph of their score. Their previous score was 22 with 2 errors, and their current score for this timing was 41 with no errors. If I hit the continue button, the student can also click on the My Scores button, and all of the learning targets for the objective multiplication are listed here. The solid bars show the learning targets that the student has already mastered with their high score listed here on the right. They receive a medal for each one they pass off. They're currently working on multiply 3 with a high score of 41 so far. And when they fill in all of the learning targets, when they master all of them, they receive a trophy for that objective.